Hi guys, it is Dimitris from Vehicle Aftermarket Installations on site. Today we install a wireless rear view mirror safety dave with the camera at the back of the van. So this actually is very helpful because you can do it yourself actually. This is the images from the back. Yes, you have to install it right here. Power point either in the fuse box where the harness provided, or this kit comes also with a USB connector. Some of the cars, they do have a USB connector, so you can DIY, do it yourself if you don't want a permanent installation for the mirror. It is very easy to power it up and pair it up with the rear vision camera. So for the rear vision camera, you're gonna need a power point. So this is the rear view camera, wireless as well, but yes, it needs to be powered. So we power it up from the lights. So when the lights are on, the camera is on and it shows the images on the rear view mirror. Easy setup, no harness required to go underneath the chassis on your van, no connection required on the van, on your car from the van, and it goes like that. Just be careful when you connect it to the power point. Preferably go to a switch on ACC power, so you will not drain the car battery when you leave it on. Thanks for watching.